So why you want to do that challenge here now? What happened?
Baby fever. Hey guys, welcome back to 876 and chill. Yeah, I know it's the title down below. We're gonna eat baby food today. I don't know how this is gonna work out. I don't know how this is gonna taste, but we're gonna try it out. Before we get into this video though, I want you guys to hit that like button. Come on guys. Come on now. Make YouTube knows over it's a festive. Right over here, so.
Somewhere.
Festive bad. Yeah. You know, share this video with a friend. Tell a friend to come over, come join the 876 and chill family. So as you can see, we have Yard Boy Stretch as always, and we have we co-host Steven the genius. Yeah. So we're gonna get down into eating this baby food.
I don't know why she want to do this to the what.
Seems like the family both will get larger.
No.
See what I go on. What is Gerber?
So today we have 5 different baby food we have today.
Sorry peeps, we did.
Yeah, we have 5 different baby food.
Here.
But it really surprised me. This baby food is always expensive. But I just like 100.
That means don't forget none, you know.
Yeah.
That means don't forget none.
I just like 100 and something like that. Each of them. So we have Gerber. We have
Heinz,
and we have some different flavor. Flavor of pear. We have Fruit Delight Pure.
Puree. We have guava, prune puree.
I'm not sure more want to taste on this.
And then we have fruit dessert. Alright.
Fruit dessert,
Yeah.
So which one we are going to try first?
Start with the prune, because I feel like that one tastes the worst.
Start with the
Prune. Shake it up. You're supposed to shake it, by the way?
Yeah, shake the food.
Yeah,
I put things that, you know, we don't read.
We don't read. That's why, you see, we don't say nothing about shake. It's just like keeping dry, cool place. Look at expiration date. Then the expire, we're good to go.
Yeah, we're good to go.
Good to go.
Anyways. And I have to take a spoonful.
You know why? What?
Oh, what is for?
I have to push and turn. We don't know if we baby food here. Yeah.
Alright. So, God, this looks like
Why you say that?
That's how you look.
We not take enough like you know.
Spoonful.
We can't skip that one here.
No.
Alright. This.
Like you look how weird. Oh,
Oh yeah,
guys.
count down.
With their up guard and then say time for go home. Come.
Now count down for this.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah.
Tell them to say what happened the worst one.
Like, alright. On too bad. It's fresh.
Very fresh.
It tastes like tamarind, like
Yeah.
watered down tamarind.
Yeah, it have a tamarind taste.
Yeah.
It not taste nothing like prune. So them need to
It's not
change the
poor,
name.
but it can't eat.
Poor baby.
Ooh.
It can't eat.
Ah.
I'm good.
Alright, we're going to do that one. That one they
It
can go.
can't eat. It's not too bad.
I take a second later.
It's not too bad.
Alright. What next?
So-
You mean it? Put this on ground.
We have a next Gerber one, and this is the Fruit Delight puree. Come, I'm going to clean up the spoon because I'm not going to alter the taste.
Hurry up, brother. This that taste I need to come out of my mouth.
It's not that bad. I would have actually feed my baby that
Nope.
if I have a baby.
Anyway, try to fly that one. I'm Anna sweat. Anna sweat. Come on. Fly that one there. Anna sweat now. See it there? Loose it up here.
So take out your
Why look like we're in a rush to taste this thing? Watch it.
And I'll shake.
full spoon, sir.
It full.
Not you, I mean.
It's a full spoon.
So this are the fruit puree.
Yeah.
This
Fruit delight puree.
the color don't look too bad, you know?
Wonder why not this?
Fruit. Ready?
See there?
1, 2, 3. This almost tastes like watered down ketchup.
How fruit it tastes like ketchup?
Huh?
It may not get that ketchup vibe. It tastes
Ah,
better than the prune.
yeah, better
but-
than the prune. Give me the next one out of this, yeah. This tastes better. I'm not baby, but this tastes better. See? A little bit more.
Nah, I feel this neither. It's better than the prune, but
Yeah. But how baby eat this? Is that like after a while baby taste but evolve or something why them, you know, when them look at them like this, is it an upgrade from breast milk?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
Oh, if you know that.
Mommy, I used to feed me this. Me know you watch. I used to give me this.
This never there
I
on no
believe-
we.
I believe
90s baby no get them something here.
I like
We
that.
get blend up on them thing there. We get blend up.
Remember they bought a long time, man. I think our parents used to get Gerber.
I mean, I think my grandmother used to
Come,
give my
move on.
mother.
We'll go to the next.
Alright. Here.
Pear, which brand that?
Gerber.
A Gerber?
Pear. Pear. Why them put pear in that now?
I know
I know avocado. I know,
Jamaican,
yeah, I know.
yeah.
Oh, I know avocado.
And the apple thingy where we call pear.
Them call it apple, we call it pear. You can't go half spoon on this.
No. That smell?
Not really.
It can, that smell nice. It have one little smell.
She said full spoon, so full spoon.
Ready?
One, two, three. Me and another shake.
Best
Alright,
one so far.
yeah.
Alright, maybe
This-
feed that one.
This tastes like the fruit cocktail something. We buy another can?
And it can, it tastes like a dole.
The dole.
Yeah, dole. Dole.
Yeah.
What that?
Tastes like dole. You
And
know that
one
little thing?
canned fruit
And the fruit snack thing.
and the fruit cup something with them.
Yeah, it tastes like a dole. Yeah. The pear can go on.
But
Yeah.
anyways, that one here are the nicest one.
When take a
so
next
far.
spoon.
Yeah, gladly.
Watch out the back.
Like, you can't waste no way for eat it.
With the cover.
Because we don't have a baby to eat too.
Wait, I want their friend would I eat it. But
Rain gonna fall, brother. Anyway, next we have the fruit dessert.
From who? Who is
Oh,
that?
from Heinz. Heinz. Wait.
Alright, that one is kind of orangish. You know, so this. I'm not saying nothing.
looks are deceiving. What? Actually look like that.
Look for me at
I like how this smell.
2021 I taste baby food.
Smell it. I
No.
like how it smell. This
Me
one smell like
me
something.
and a shake already, so
Ready? Make we get that one. Oh
Come,
my God.
1, 2, 3.
no, so this one smell right.
Lord. This tastes like some fake shit. Like it having beer chemical or something in there.
But I don't feel about that one here.
But I could have called all them something. Yeah.
But I don't know how to feel about it.
God, lock this. Lock lock
Like,
it. Not
Them
even
say
comment
no
for that
dye
one.
and
there.
no preservatives. But why this taste so?
I wonder if that's why. Let
And
me see. This
according to
have been
this, it have pineapple, orange and banana.
Me not taste no pineapple, orange and banana and that.
And Mexico it mixed in, so anything I know.
If we feel high later, we don't know it go. We feel
So the pear, the Gerber pear, one
Yeah.
are the best.
Jesus.
Are the best. Which one
You
are
see,
the
that took a
worst?
second.
Hold on, we have one next
We
one.
have the last one. The last one we have are the guava.
This should be exciting. You better taste good. It not a lot.
If you not eat guava, you can't get guava jam, you see it.
Alright, but if you watch that one, it not a lot good.
Pull this fly, this.
Finally, me can pull one.
Yeah, man, that's actually a guava. I love guava. I used to
Yeah.
take the most out of this. I take the most.
Alright. Last one, this guys.
You have to look on it strange and weird, you know.
It don't look bad. This actually smell like guava.
Yes, I feel like it be the. It actually have the real guava scent.
Yeah. It don't smell chemically.
Kind of
No man, it's kind of smell like some
Yeah, it
nice
smell
jam.
nice. Yeah.
They have high
Ready?
looks.
Looks are deceiving. Hope it tastes good. No, this is the last one, you know. What I do? Who have
Same,
first?
best for last.
I guess. Come. 1, 2, 3. This tastes like
Yeah,
jam.
man.
Yeah.
You want me to take one more?
This
Alright.
can
Guava.
work.
So between this are the pear.
This.
The guava sweet, the pear fresh.
When I give my baby this.
Pass tag in there. I'm not baby, but that one tastes good.
When I can't work.
You not take no more?
Alright.
No more? Done
So,
it.
pear and guava. The rest, no.
I tell them now go with nothing.
Not at all.
Hold on there. Ask the brother over here see if you want it. Brother, you don't want no baby food? I offer, it tastes good, you know? Him say no deal with that. Alright, boss. Yeah man, the guava can go.
Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning into this video. When you can try some baby food too and message and make you know how you like it, what you think it tastes like. Tell me if you want to feed on the baby them food here too.
Have I wish them for them for
The
fruit delight?
yes, the fruit delight and
And the
the
orange
prune.
one.
And the prune, yeah.
The orange looking one is the worst, right?
Yeah.
The
The
prune never
delight
too
was
bad, but
the fruit delight, the
Yeah.
fruit dessert.
that did smell like some chemical.
The one they want to
process.
make over.
See it there? Oh. we can't do too label, you see it? Yes, stop me, sir. Copyright.
Oh, God. Guys, don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. The links will be down in the description. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button if you are new. Until next time.
Peace. 876 and chill out.